Alright guys, this is my 2021 F150 3.5 ecoboost. Sorry it's dirty, it's been raining every day non-stop. I just put a leveling kit on it with some new tires. Still have the factory 20s. I originally put a 2.5 inch leveling kit, but it didn't make it completely level, so I took it off, returned it, and went with a 3-inch leveling kit. It's made by Supreme Suspension. I ordered it off of eBay. The tires are a 305, 55, 20. I believe it's pretty much the same size as a 33. When I originally went to put the tires on, I tried to fit a 35-inch tire and it did not fit. It was a 35 1250 R20. It actually rubbed on the A-arm, and whenever I would turn, it wanted to rub right here on the front fender. So I took it off and ended up going with these. They are Mastercraft Cursor MXT mud grip. I did find out that you can fit a 34.5 1150 20. I have a buddy of mine that just put some on his. But I think these came out looking alright. Plenty good for what I use it for. Alright guys, that's my video. I'm gonna start posting videos pretty often. I just ordered a Corsa DV exhaust, engine cool air intake. I'm gonna be putting that on tomorrow. I just got it in today. As soon as I do, I'm gonna be posting some videos about it. Maybe do some 0 to 60s for you guys, before and after. Also, I ordered SBD downpipes and a couple other things. I'm gonna be posting videos on all that. If y'all have any questions or comments, just leave one below. And if you want to start getting my videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Appreciate it, guys.